Welcome to AI in Business, where we delve into how artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, create value, and stay competitive in a fast-paced digital landscape. From automating routine tasks to predicting future trends and optimizing operations, AI is unlocking new opportunities for innovation and efficiency across all sectors. In this comprehensive course, we will explore how AI is applied in various business functions, the benefits it brings, and the challenges businesses face in adopting AI. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how AI can be a powerful tool for driving growth and transformation in business. Course outline. 1. The role of AI in the business world. What is AI in business? AI refers to technologies that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks like decision-making, problem-solving, data analysis, and pattern recognition. In business, AI is used to automate processes, enhance customer service, optimize operations, and create personalized experiences. The rise of AI as a competitive edge. Companies across industries are adopting AI to gain a competitive advantage. AI's ability to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately allows businesses to make faster, smarter decisions. Companies that leverage AI successfully can improve productivity, reduce costs, and develop more effective strategies. Industries. Leading the AI revolution. While AI is transforming many industries, certain sectors have seen particularly strong adoption. Healthcare. AI is used for diagnostics, patient care, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Retail. AI powers recommendation engines, inventory management, and dynamic pricing strategies. Finance. AI is used in fraud detection, credit scoring, algorithmic trading, and risk management. Manufacturing. AI helps optimize supply chains, predictive maintenance, and improve production efficiency. Logistics and transportation. AI is reshaping route optimization, autonomous vehicles, and demand forecasting. 2. Key applications of AI in business process automation. AI automates repetitive tasks, reducing human error and freeing up employees to focus on higher value activities. This includes robotic process automation, RPA, automating rule-based repetitive tasks like data entry, invoice processing, and customer onboarding. Intelligent document processing. AI-driven systems can extract and process information from documents, e.g., contracts, invoices, faster and more accurately than humans. Predictive analytics and forecasting. AI enables businesses to leverage historical data and predict future outcomes, allowing better decision-making and risk management. Key applications include sales forecasting. AI models predict future sales based on historical data and market conditions, helping businesses manage inventory and plan better. Customer behavior prediction. AI analyzes customer data to predict future behavior, enabling more personalized marketing and sales strategies. Financial forecasting. Businesses can use AI to predict future cash flows, stock prices, or market demand, improving financial planning and investment decisions. AI-driven customer service. AI has transformed customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants that provide 24/7 support, answer common queries, and route complex issues to human agents. Example: AI-powered chatbots like Drift and Intercom allow companies to offer instant customer support and even guide users through the buying process. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze customer feedback in real time, allowing businesses to respond quickly to complaints, gauge customer satisfaction, and tailor responses. Personalization and targeted marketing. AI analyzes customer data, such as browsing history, purchase behavior, and social media activity, to deliver personalized recommendations and marketing messages. Recommendation engines. Retailers like Amazon and Netflix use AI to recommend products or content based on individual user preferences, increasing engagement and sales. Dynamic pricing. AI allows businesses to adjust prices dynamically based on supply, demand, and competitor pricing in real time, optimizing revenue, supply chain, and operations. Optimization. AI helps businesses optimize their supply chains by predicting demand, managing inventory, and finding the most efficient transportation routes. Demand forecasting. AI models predict future demand based on past sales data, market trends, and external factors, e.g., weather conditions, helping businesses optimize inventory levels and reduce stockouts. Route optimization. Logistics companies use AI to find the most efficient delivery routes, reducing transportation costs and delivery times. AI also helps with autonomous fleet management. Fraud detection and cybersecurity. AI plays a crucial role in detecting fraudulent activity and enhancing cybersecurity. Machine learning models can identify patterns in data that indicate fraud or security breaches. Financial fraud detection. AI-powered algorithms can detect unusual transaction patterns in real time, helping banks and financial institutions prevent fraud. Cybersecurity. AI systems monitor network traffic, detect anomalies, and respond to potential threats faster than human analysts. 3. AI in core business functions. Human resources, HR, and recruitment. AI is revolutionizing recruitment and HR processes by automating repetitive tasks like resume screening, scheduling interviews, and even conducting preliminary candidate assessments. AI-powered recruitment platforms. Platforms like LinkedIn Talent Solutions use AI to match job candidates with positions, analyze their qualifications, and suggest the best fits for roles. Employee performance management. AI-driven analytics tools help companies track employee performance and engagement, offering personalized recommendations for professional development. Sales and marketing. AI helps businesses refine their sales strategies by analyzing customer behavior, segmenting leads, and predicting which prospects are most likely to convert. Lead scoring. AI assigns scores to sales leads based on their likelihood to convert, helping sales teams prioritize their efforts and close deals more efficiently. Ad targeting. AI analyzes user data to deliver targeted ads to specific customer segments, improving the ROI of marketing campaigns. Google Ads and Facebook Ads use AI-driven algorithms to optimize ad placement. Finance and accounting. AI is transforming the finance industry by automating financial reporting, auditing, and analysis. This reduces errors and improves efficiency. Automated bookkeeping. AI tools like QuickBooks automate bookkeeping processes, reducing the time finance teams spend on manual tasks. Financial planning and analysis. FP&A. AI can analyze vast amounts of financial data, helping companies create more accurate financial forecasts and models. 4. Benefits of AI in business: increased efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work, resulting in increased productivity and faster decision-making. Cost reduction. AI helps businesses reduce operational costs by automating tasks that previously required human intervention, such as customer service, data entry, and fraud detection. Improved accuracy. AI-driven systems reduce the risk of human error, improving accuracy in critical areas such as finance, logistics, and customer service. Data-driven decision-making. AI allows businesses to analyze large data sets and extract actionable insights, enabling more informed and data-driven decision-making at all levels of the organization. Enhanced customer experience. Enables businesses to deliver personalized experiences at scale, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. By offering real-time recommendations and support, AI enhances the overall customer journey. 5. Challenges in implementing AI. High implementation costs. While AI promises long-term benefits, the initial costs of implementing AI solutions, including purchasing software, hardware, and hiring skilled professionals, can be high for many businesses, particularly smaller enterprises. Data privacy and security concerns. AI systems rely heavily on data, which raises concerns about data privacy, especially when dealing with sensitive customer information. Businesses must comply with data protection regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA. Workforce displacement and reskilling. Automation of tasks through AI can lead to workforce displacement, particularly in roles that involve repetitive or routine work. As businesses adopt AI, there will be a growing need for reskilling workers to transition to new roles. Bias in AI systems. AI models can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, leading to biased decision-making in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Businesses must work to ensure their AI systems are transparent, fair, and free from bias. Integration with existing systems. Integrating AI solutions with existing business systems can be challenging, particularly in legacy systems that were not designed with AI in mind. Successful AI implementation often requires a reevaluation of existing processes and infrastructure. 6. Case studies: AI driving business success. Amazon. Amazon has become a leader in AI-powered e-commerce by using AI in virtually every aspect of its business. From its recommendation engine, which accounts for 35% of its sales, to its AI-driven supply chain optimization and delivery route planning, AI is integral to Amazon's success. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses AI to analyze customer feedback, predict market trends, and personalize marketing campaigns. Through AI, the company has improved customer engagement and optimized its marketing spend. J.P. Morgan Chase. The bank uses AI to enhance fraud detection, analyze credit risk, and automate trading processes. Its AI-powered tool, Coin, processes thousands of loan agreements in seconds, significantly reducing the time and costs associated with legal review. Walmart. Walmart leverages AI for inventory management, demand forecasting, and customer service. By predicting which products will be in demand, Walmart optimizes its inventory and reduces waste, improving profitability. 7. The future of AI in business. AI-enhanced decision-making. In the future, AI will play a more significant role in business decision-making, helping leaders make real-time, data-driven decisions that go beyond human capabilities. AI will analyze complex datasets, predict future outcomes, and suggest optimal strategies. AI for innovation. As AI evolves, it will drive further innovation across industries, enabling businesses to create new products, services, and business models. AI will also be key in solving complex challenges in sustainability, healthcare, and global supply chains. Collaborative AI and human augmentation. The future of AI in business is not about replacing humans, but augmenting human capabilities. AI will work alongside human workers, automating repetitive tasks and providing insights to improve decision-making, creativity, and problem-solving. Tools and platforms for AI in business. IBM. Watson, an AI platform offering tools for natural language processing, machine learning, and predictive analytics to help businesses automate workflows and generate insights. Salesforce. Einstein, an AI-powered platform that enables businesses to improve customer relationship management, CRM, through predictive lead scoring, customer segmentation, and automated recommendations. UiPath, a leading robotic process automation, RPA tool that helps businesses automate repetitive tasks in areas like finance, HR, and customer service. H2O.ai, a machine learning platform that helps businesses leverage predictive modeling, AI-driven decision-making, and real-time analytics to improve business performance. Microsoft Azure AI, a comprehensive suite of AI services that helps businesses build, deploy, and manage AI models in the cloud for everything from machine learning to natural language processing. Conclusion. AI is reshaping the business world by enabling companies to operate more efficiently, make smarter decisions, and deliver personalized customer experiences. From automation and predictive analytics to supply chain optimization and AI-driven customer service, the applications of AI are vast and growing. This course has explored the transformative potential of AI in various industries and business functions, highlighting the benefits, challenges, and future directions for AI in business. As AI continues to evolve, its role in business will only expand, driving new innovations and opportunities. Whether you're looking to implement AI solutions in your own organization or simply want to understand how AI is changing the business landscape, this course has provided you with the foundational knowledge to harness the power of AI in your business journey.